Alright, I'm going to show you in a Tesla Model Y, you get one of these cords to run up through the edge of the ceiling, down here, bring it in here. We're going to grab a ground wire by placing a self-driving screw here. The other end of our radar wire comes out. It has a plus, which is the red, and a ground, which is the black. We're using these snap tie things to connect them. And basically, we're taking the red wire, not the pink wire, from the Tesla, and I'll zoom in on it. You can see the one in the forefront with a speed clip that taps that 15.9 or 16 volts, which is normally too much for a radar detector. And then that splits it off into here. And we get this device from Amazon for around $10. And its output is locked right in at 12.3 volts. Bam. And that's it. I use a permanent mount, which allows my redline to snap in and out with ease, and also allows my visor to open and close perfectly with ease. That's the whole job. Obviously you can see how I pulled the brackets off here. There's no need to take the light panel underneath like some have shown. You can get to it all right here. Good luck.